Hi everyone, it's Donna from Shoot Them in Creations. Thanks so much for choosing my furniture flip video. Today we have quite the makeover. I got these two side tables and this dresser from Facebook Marketplace. And when I bought it, the girl told me it was all wood, and my husband went to pick it up, and when he got it home we found out it wasn't all wood. The drawers are beautifully made, they're totally wood, they're dovetailed, they're gorgeous, but the sides and the top are MDF. So I wasn't quite sure how I was going to handle this because I normally work with wood furniture, but I decided to go ahead and give it a try, and I am so glad I did. This piece turned out to be beautiful. So I began by cleaning it like I always do, using dish soap and vinegar just to get a good clean. And then I put 2 coats of chalk paint, and I picked this really pretty bright coral color. And the hope here is that all of these details, the carvings, all the different moldings, that I can really make them pop in the end. So here I am antiquing the first of the side tables. So I've already put my paint on and a clear coat. You always want to put a clear coat or a wax coat on before you do your antiquing wax. And you can see it really does make the details pop. And when you compare it to the top drawer that hasn't been done, you can see all those details just jump right out. And listen, if you like furniture flip videos like this, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as one of our YouTube family members. And I have lots and lots of furniture flip videos coming, and I would love to have you. And if you have any questions about furniture flipping or any questions in general, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll definitely reply. So once I've done the antiquing, I do more than one coat just to really get the depth of color that I want. Then I just did a quick little top coat with some clear wax just to kind of seal everything in. And then I'm going to move on to the larger piece, the larger dresser, and it's basically the same process. So I start by doing a thin coat of the chalk paint. I always like to do a thin coat first. I just feel it gives it better adhesion. And then I came back and did the second coat. If only it was this quick when I was actually painting it. So in the end, this one I think was really worth it. It was different again because it was MDF. There were a few bumps on the top of the MDF where it had gotten wet, and there wasn't a whole lot I could do with that. I couldn't sand it back. When MDF swells, there's really not a whole lot you can do. So I decided to just embrace it, and I left it and just painted over it and sealed it in. But you can see the original hardware was lovely, and all of those details, the carvings and the moldings, they really made for a beautiful piece. So here I am antiquing it again, and again I put the clear coat on first. If you don't put a clear coat or a clear wax coat down first, the dark wax can stain your paint color and it won't remove easily. So I was really pleased with how this one turned out in the end. I thought it was a really unique piece and it looked really great. And I really hope you liked it. And again, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. And thanks so much for watching, and subscribe. I have lots more coming. Thanks again. Have a great day, guys. Bye.